Finding niche ideas is easy. Finding a niche that actually makes money is where most people fail. In the previous video, How to Find a Profitable Book Niche with ChatGPT, we used AI to generate strong niche ideas. Now it's time for the reality check, validation. Before you build a website, write a blog, or record a single video, you need proof that your niche is real, not just interesting. This step is where most creators waste months. They build first and ask questions later. In this video, I'll show you how to validate a niche in under 1 hour using 3 signals that never lie. A profitable niche always leaves fingerprints. Those fingerprints show up in 3 places. First, people are searching. Second, people are watching. Third, people are buying. If one signal is missing, the niche is weak. If 2 are missing, it's a dead end. No searches, no views, no buyers, no business. Everything else is just hope dressed up as strategy. In the last video, How to Find a Profitable Book Niche with ChatGPT, we used AI to generate a short list of promising niche ideas. Now, instead of guessing which one might work, we're going to test one of them against real-world behavior. For this example, let's use the niche Gentle Anxiety Helpers, Bedtime Worries. This will be our case study for market research. Let's start with search behavior, because search engines don't lie. They reflect what real people are actively looking for help with. Type your niche idea into Google. When you start typing in Google, the suggestions you see aren't random. They're based on real searches people are already making. And when you scroll to the bottom, related searches show you what else people are looking for around the same topic. Now repeat the same test inside YouTube search. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. If people are searching and watching, demand already exists. You don't need to convince them, you just need to help them. In the search box, type Gentle Anxiety Helpers, Kids-Safe Coping Stories. Next, we check content competition, especially on YouTube. YouTube doesn't provide a button labeled Show Me Low Competition Videos, but it does give us enough clues to figure it out for free. On the right, click the button labeled Filters. Then select This Year. Now look at the view counts. If I see videos with 3,000, 12,000, 27,000, even 48,000 views, and they're ranking on the first page, that tells me something very important. These videos are getting traffic, but the niche isn't crowded with million-view monsters. Look for videos ranking with fewer than 50,000 views. That means the niche is active, but not saturated. Now follow the money. Are there products, courses, tools, or books for sale? Money leaves a trail. Attention without monetization is just a hobby. Here's the 1-hour niche test. Find 10 search suggestions, 5 videos under 50,000 views, and 3 things people can buy. If it passes all 3, move forward. If it fails 1, refine it. If it fails 2, kill it early. Most people fall in love with ideas. Professionals fall in love with evidence. In the next video, we'll take a validated niche and turn it into a clear content and product roadmap.